What is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today I've got a pretty special video for you guys. We're here in Uptown Dallas at Clutch. Let's see, I guess it's a restaurant bar now. I know it only as a bar, but yeah, they have Sunday brunch and cars and cocktails up here. Let me just apologize for the wind first off, because I know that's going to be terrible sounding. But yes, they've got cars and cocktails. I don't know the exact dates on everything they've got going, but if you look them up on Facebook, they're in Uptown Dallas. I'm sure everyone's heard of Clutch, but they've got cars and cocktails where a bunch of exotics and some American muscle come and hang out, have brunch, have some drinks. Know if you enter in, you can actually get like 2 drinks free or something like that. So it's almost kind of worth it. Put your car in the show, pay a little money, get 2 free drinks. Come hang out, whatever. This is my first time at this event. It's actually really nice. We showed up a little earlier than most of the people did, so we beat the crowd here. But I'm gonna follow my talking up with just a bunch of video of all the cars that were here. It's really hard to get anything talking or really commentating on any of the vehicles because there's music playing, and it's it's a really cool, fun event. But yeah, if you get the chance, come out here. Cars and cocktails, Uptown Dallas at Clutch Bar and Restaurant.